What you doing? Hmm? Whoa, look at you. What you doing, Precious? Hmm? Look at you. Your big stuff. Yeah. You done? You're what? No. This is what Precious looks like when he's done taking a shower. Yes, this is how cute you look and handsome. Yes. Yes, you're all clean. Yeah. Every time I wash the dishes, Precious comes in and just jumps right on in the water. Don't you? You like the water. He'll bathe under the water and drink the water. You drying your head off? Hmm? You can see the little holes under and a little bit towards the back of his head. That's where his ears are, under the feathers, and they're little black holes. You look like a champ. You do. We rescued Precious about 7 months ago. He was a baby outside at the playground, and my son just brought him home. We thought he was a girl because we didn't know better. And then after we had him for about a month, his feathers started to shed and the black around his beak and his mouth started to come in. And that's the dead giveaway that he's a bird, a male bird, excuse me. The female birds only have like a pretty color going around their neck. They don't have the dark markings in the front of their face.